Well, everybody, big disappointment. So the glass finally showed up today around 2:30ish. Get home, it's here, sun signed for it, all unboxed. Look at the fit. So way hanging over here. It is way high down here. Perfect right here. But then look at this latch. I don't know if you guys can see this with sun. It's like the Mickey Mouse ears. What am I supposed to do with that? And then it's way high over here. This side, if I get it to line up, you can't even get it. The fit is just, this cannot be off of Gen 3. Here's the code, in case anybody wants to see this. I don't know what the hell to do. So I'm so disappointed. 6 weeks I've waited for this. Got the runaround, oh yeah, no box to ship it in. Well, I finally get it. The box is packed very nicely, by the way. But this is I mean, how do you make this? Look at the gap. Gap here, none. Gap here. I mean, this is not even close. I don't know what the hell to do. So I had to put this up. Very irritated. Been waiting 6 weeks. Now I don't know when I'm going to get back out on the track. I got an autocross next weekend. I'm probably going to have to cancel or maybe just go without a back glass. Luckily, it's not too far. But yeah, highly disappointed. I don't know what this could fit. I mean, look at it, even it's too long. I mean, it's sitting up over the edge here. And we're totally flush here. And not even the right. And I don't know what it is with the door latch. I mean, you got this Mickey Mouse looking thing. I don't think the door latch, the glass latch won't even fit through there. Is this for a GTM maybe? I don't know. Is this for an older coupe? I don't know. Maybe it's the retrofit glass for a Gen 2? I don't know. Maybe somebody out there in YouTube land or on the forum could answer these questions because I don't know. But I'm going to email Factory 5 right now, and I got to box this thing back up, and they're going to pay for this one. So thank you. I had to rant right now. So appreciate it. Let me know if you got any ideas. Bye. Well, so the Factory 5 glass drama continues. So I finally got a hold of me today, and it's not good. So first they tell me, yeah, we messed up, sent you the wrong glass. So I'm going to step out of the sun here. Said, yeah, sent you the wrong glass, nothing we can do about it, and it'll be September by the time you get glass. And I said, well, that's not going to work. Told them to take it off a car they're waiting to deliver, since they won't need it for probably 6 months, a year or two, never know how quickly somebody builds it. And they said, no, can't do it, September it is. So not happy with Factory 5. They've been a good company, and they usually take care of things. I think they're just so overwhelmed. But the Factory 5 forum is something, so a guy named Tufster, I don't know his name yet because we're just starting the communication. He's offered me his glass. He's not too far, about 45 miles from here. We're going to see if we can schedule something this weekend. I can go pick it up and borrow it because I guess he received one that's got some chipping around the edges. And Factory 5 sent him a new one. And he just kind of held on to that. So I'm going to borrow it for the next couple of months and get it back to him after I'm done. So, but yeah, the forum, if you guys have never been on it, the help and the camaraderie and just the all-around great guys that are on the forum are truly amazing. And Factory 5 itself is a good company. They're just struggling, and I get it. It's like everybody else right now, so nothing personal, but just kind of irritated. So hopefully we can get some glass this weekend because I do have an autocross on Sunday. And I'll get some video up from that. I'm going to try some other things with the camera, see if we can get some interesting shots. So yeah, I wanted to get this up just to keep the drama going, but yeah, so the glass drama continues, but hopefully it'll be over by Saturday. So thanks again for watching. Hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode.